In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome high memory usage windows. If Chrome feels slow, your fans are spinning, or your system is running out of RAM, this walkthrough will help you reduce Chrome's footprint using built-in settings. We'll clear out data that piles up, temporarily disable add-ons that can hog resources, and turn on a feature that automatically frees memory from tabs you're not using. Start in Chrome. Look to the top right corner and open the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More menu. From there, open Settings. This opens a new tab with a sidebar on the left that organizes everything we need. In the sidebar, go to Privacy and Security. This area controls what Chrome stores locally and how it protects your data. Choose Clear Browsing Data. You'll see options for what to delete and a time range. For memory relief, focusing on cached images and files is most impactful because large cache sizes make Chrome take up more RAM and disk. If you want a bigger reset, you can include browsing history and cookies, but remember that clearing cookies may sign you out of websites. Pick a time range, last 7 days is a good balance, or all time for a deeper cleanup, then confirm by selecting clear data. Tabs might reload after this, which is normal. Next, let's review extensions, since some can leak memory or run constantly in the background. Open the extensions page from Chrome and view the list of installed add-ons. Toggle each one off to disable it for now. This doesn't uninstall anything, it simply prevents the extension from running and consuming memory. If you rely on specific tools, you can always come back later and turn them on when needed, but keeping them off temporarily is a reliable way to stabilize performance. Head back to the main settings page using the back arrow or the left navigation. Now open the Performance section. This is where Chrome's resource controls live. Turn on Memory Saver. With Memory Saver enabled, Chrome automatically frees up memory from tabs you haven't used in a while. When you return to an inactive tab, it reloads and picks up where you left off. This keeps your active work snappy, especially on systems with limited RAM or when you juggle many tabs. If you have sites that must always stay active, you can manage those from this page later. That's it. You've cleared old data, disabled resource-heavy extensions, and enabled Memory Saver. Use Chrome as you normally would, and you should notice smoother performance and lower memory usage as you